welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 6. Today we're going to be subtracting 4-digit numbers. So last video we practiced 3-digit. Now today we're going to practice 4-digit. So instead of going to the hundreds place, we will be going all the way over to the thousands place. So let's get started. All right, here in our first example, it says, what is the difference in height? Difference is a subtraction word, right? The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So whenever you see difference, we know we need to subtract. What is the difference in height between Ribbon Falls and Colombo Falls? Notice all these different falls they gave us. They are trying to distract you with extra numbers. Don't fall for it. So we need Colombo, 726, and Ribbon, Ribbon, 1,612. Okay, so we are going to do 1,612 minus 726. 1,612 is about 1,600. 726 is about 700. So if I take 1,600 minus 700, I get 900 is my estimate. Okay, and in that case, I could do 16 minus 7 is 9. So then 1,600 minus 700 would be 900. So kind of look at it that way, but here we go. So my first step is to do 2 minus 6. I can't do it, so I just need to go next door and get 10 more. So now I have 12 ones instead of 2. Okay, and 12 minus 6 is 6. Now we're jumping over here. Okay, so here's all of our work that we just did. We had 0. Well, I can't do 0 minus 2. I have to go next door and get 10 more. So now I have 5 hundreds and 10 tens because I had 0. So if I get 10 more, now I have 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now we're jumping down. I don't know why they make us do this in so many different steps, but now we're jumping down here. Now what I'm trying to do is 5 minus 7. I can't do it. I don't have enough. So I need to go next door to the thousands place. Now there are 0 thousands and 15 hundreds. 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, so is 886 about 900, which was our estimate? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Pretty darn close. So 1,612 minus 726 is 886. We checked it. We compared it with our estimate. So Ribbon Falls is 886 feet taller than Colombo Falls. All right, let's do some more practicing. Example 2, bike route A is 1,579 miles. Bike route B is 3,559 miles. How much longer? There we go. That's our cue that we need to subtract is bike route B. Okay. 3,559 minus 1,579 is, an unknown can be marked as a question mark. So first let's estimate. 3,559 is about 3,600. And 1,579 is about 1,600. So I'd get 0, 0, 0. 2,000 is my estimate. Is how many miles longer. So let's do the actual math here. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 7, can't do it. Go next door and get 10 more. I had 5, now I have 15. Tens. 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, now they're shooting us over here where I'm supposed to be doing 4 minus 5. Can I do it? Go next door and get 10 more. So I had 4 hundreds. Now I have 14 hundreds. 14 minus 5 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1,980. Is that close to our estimate of 2,000? Yes, it is. 1,980 is, bike route B is 1,980 miles longer. The unknown is 1,980. And it is close to our estimate. The answer is reasonable. Okay, here it says subtract and use addition to check your answer. Here we go. 1 minus 5. Can't do it. Go next door. Take 1 away from next door. Now I have 11 ones. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. 7,006. Now to check my answer, I start at the bottom, bring it up, 7,006 plus, I do the opposite. Here I subtracted, here I'm going to add to check, okay? Plus, my middle number just bops over, 365. Okay. 6 plus 5 makes 11. 6 plus 1 makes 7. 0 plus 3 makes 3. And 7 plus 0 is 7. Do they match? 7,371. 7,371. Check. They match. All right, let's do one more just to make sure we've really got it. Okay, now my directions say subtract. Use addition to check your answer. Here we go. 7 minus 0 is 7. 1 minus 6. I can't do it. Go next door. Now I have 100. Get 10 more and 11 tens. 11 minus 6 is 5. 1 minus 8. Oh no, I can't do it. Go next door and get 10 more. Now I have 11 hundreds. 11 hundreds minus 8 hundreds is 3 hundreds. 5 minus 0 is 5. So my answer is 5,357. Now I can check my answer with addition. Okay, so I'm going to write that number on top. 5,357 plus my middle number bops over to the middle over here, 860. Here we go. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. 3 plus 8 makes 11, plus 1 more is 12. And 5 plus 1 is 6. 6,217 and 6,217. Check. We did it. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Let's do some subtracting with 4-digit numbers today. We'll see you later. Bye.